Hello, OET champions. Do you know the secret to making your OET writing sound professional and accurate? It's not just medical vocabulary, it is also using correct tenses. I'm Dr. Arshnu from Dr. Arshnu's OET Institute. In this video, we'll practice 50 advanced past simple tense and tenses commonly used in OET writing. These will help you sound clear, precise, and professional when describing a patient's past medical history, hospital admissions, or treatments. I have divided this content into 5 categories, which will simplify your OET writing letter in a very good manner. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, yes, subscribe it right now so that you should get updates on my YouTube channel whensoever I am uploading any new video. Now, let's start with the first category, that is medical history. The patient presented with severe abdominal pain last evening. She reported a history of frequent headaches over the last year. The patient complained of chest discomfort during exertion. He denied any previous episodes of hypertension. The patient experienced nausea and vomiting after the meal. She underwent an appendectomy 5 years ago. He suffered from recurrent episodes of tonsillitis in childhood. The patient sustained a fracture to his right wrist in 2018. She was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in 2016. He attended regular physiotherapy sessions after his surgery. Now I'm coming with the next category, that is hospital admissions. The patient was admitted to the hospital on 20th August. He remained under observation for 48 hours. She received intravenous antibiotics during her stay. The patient was discharged with oral medications. He developed a fever after the second day of admission. She responded well to the initial treatment. The patient underwent an X-ray which revealed consolidation. He was transferred to the ICU for close monitoring. The patient complained of worsening pain during his stay. She was referred to a cardiologist for further evaluation. Now I'm going with the third category, that is treatment and procedures. The patient received 2 units of blood transfusion. She underwent a cholecystectomy last year. The wound was cleaned and dressed regularly. He was prescribed antihypertensives by his physician. The patient completed a 10-day course of antibiotics. She responded positively to insulin therapy. The sutures were removed after 10 days. He was vaccinated against influenza last winter. The patient required oxygen supplementation for 2 days. She received a tetanus booster after the injury. Now, the fourth category is progress and follow-up. The patient showed gradual improvement after physiotherapy. He attended his follow-up appointment as scheduled. She reported no further episodes of dizziness. The patient achieved full mobility within 6 weeks. He was advised to continue lifestyle modifications. She discontinued smoking after medical counseling. The patient maintained a healthy diet plan during recovery. He did not report any adverse reactions to medication. The patient missed 2 follow-ups visits due to travel. She completed her rehabilitation program successfully. And the last category of this video is emergency situations. The patient collapsed while at work. He was brought to the emergency department immediately. CPR was initiated by the nursing staff. The patient responded after 3 cycles of CPR. He was stabilized with IV fluids and medication. The patient complained of severe breathlessness on arrival. He was transferred to the ward after stabilization. The patient remained hemodynamically stable afterwards. He was referred to a neurologist for further management. The patient left the hospital against medical advice. These 50 past simple tense sentences are must have phrases for your OET writing. These are the ready made templates for you. They will help you describe medical history, hospital events, and treatments clearly and professionally. And hope you will be able to score higher up to 450 in your writing by using these clear and crisp sentences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel OET with Dr. Arshnur. And if you want a full PDF of these 50 sentences, then comment me below. I'll send it to you. Let's make your OET writing outstanding. See you very soon with a new video. Till then, happy learning, stay connected.